If your sneeze looks like a science experiment, you're in Ethan's shoes. So Ethan's stuck in traffic, right? Yeah. And he feels that all too familiar tickle in his nose. You know the one. He tries to hold it in, but bam! He sneezes so hard that a massive string of snot rockets out of his nose. And guess what? At that exact moment, a super cute girl in the car next to him is watching the whole thing. Their eyes meet. She bursts out laughing. Poor Ethan rolls up his window, wishing he could just disappear. So, next time you feel a sneeze coming on in traffic, remember Ethan's story. And maybe, just maybe, have a tissue handy.